Hi, everyone. This is the short presentation video for our KaiPlay 2025 work in progress paper called Forest-Robot-Stormin, exploring play for eliciting more than human forest-robot interactions. I am Eshtiak Ahmed and presenting on behalf of my co-authors. So what we did is we tried exploring creative play to facilitate brainstorming for forest-robot interactions, ideating and sketching those forest-robot concepts, and then led the participants to experience those concepts through bodystorming. We tried to examine how playful and embodied activities serve as effective creation processes and how we reflect on the values and relationships we embed in our design. As a method, we had a 2-day workshop with 7 participants who were mostly researchers in forestry game design. The materials of play we used is firstly a game that's called Fake Forest News. Then we used PowerPoint karaoke. We used plush toys, and we had the Spot robot from Boston Dynamics as a material of play as well. Here's the overall workshop flow. Here's the one concept called justice for mushrooms. Here, robots are protectors of valuable forest resources, which they protect from animals, and the robots also drive dangers away from valuable resources in the forest. This is concept justice for mushrooms 2, where the robot guards valuable forest resources at all times and scares away unethical approaches to resources from humans. Here's the concept Mosquitonomous, where the robot acts as a community driver as well as a data collection medium. And here's the concept Spot Venture that was made in the workshop. Here, the robot mingles with animals in the forest. It tries to create a balance and harmony in the forest and then thus becoming a part of the forest. Reflecting on the concepts through the more than human lens, we came to these 5 main points that robots were regarded as guardians of nature in the concepts. Also in the concepts, the robots are social beings in the ecosystem. They are mediators of knowledge and technology. They are reflections of human values and fears. And also forest seems to be a viable stage for human-machine interplay. That's all for the short presentation. Thank you.